Hey guys, thanks for checking out this episode of Anderson's Outdoors.
This is a serious video today, and let's get to it.
You've all had this happen, I'm sure, where you're out watering, enjoying the morning, and you don't realize that right behind you, your hose is totally knocking down your prize begonias. I came up with this idea to use these pipes and just mount them to the side of my raised beds, and I found that they are super stable and it just works great as a hose guard, and it keeps the hose going around the raised bed and not over the top of the raised bed. And then right after I built those, I realized that these little cheap solar LED lights that you can get from any of your hardware stores, if you take the little stake part out of the bottom, it just fits right over the top of these 1/2-inch galvanized EMT conduits. And it creates a really nice looking lighted garden effect that also protects your plants from getting destroyed by your hose as you're going around in the morning watering. And if you don't have a raised bed, it's just as easy to apply the exact same idea just using a piece of rebar and the same 1/2-inch galvanized EMT conduit. And you can just slip the conduit right over the rebar. You just hammer the rebar in right where you want it, and you can cut the EMT to length and drop a solar light on top. And you've got a really nice, versatile, easy to move, lighted pathway and little garden hose protector that'll keep your plants happy and you happy as well.
If you found today's video helpful, make sure you leave us a comment and let us know. You can also send this to your friends, give us a like, and subscribe.
So thanks for checking out this episode. You guys take it easy, and we'll catch you next time.
Adios.